Alright, this is our second morning in Bali. First morning didn't count because we didn't have our surfboards. So we got up at 5. We got our killer driver who had been out partying all night to drive us all the way up to Uluwatu. This fellow's kind of chunky, and now we're checking Bingen. But we're not really sure what the trail is. But you can see it off in the distance. There's like 6 guys out.
I get lost sometimes when my work won't grab me from the poor of the outside world. And there's a song we sing that leaves us always burning all them things that we yet to find. Singing, we won't stop believing we will become always. Working on a 12-pack instead of 9 to 5. 9 to 5 was just the fuel for the ride as we cruise through this life past feeling and signs. Just few drunken nights and the stories unfold. Set down the stress, replaced with a brew. Don't quit your day job, take a few breaks, not just for sleep or for sanity's sake, but for waters uncharted and the good friends of old. The lover, the ladies, and the bullshit we've sold. Put down the papers and into those minds. Turn up the music, some unwind. Got some time on my side. To see it's just a few of my friends and a song that we sang, singing. We won't stop believing we will become always we. Know when it's time to be working on a 12-pack instead of 9 to 5. Leaves me taking over.
How was it?
Okay. Better yesterday. Or I'm a lot more tired today. One of the two, or both.
The fire,